welcome back to my channel. My name's Savannah and this is Hannah.
Hi everyone!
Today we're going to be doing some super stretchy fun.
And some super stretchy gymnastics.
And we are also going to be doing some super
Duper.
stretchy slime.
And then we're going to test out just how stretchy our slime is by doing some crazy gymnastics.
Slime time! Okay guys, now we're going to start with the Elmer's clear glue. Do you want to do the next one, Hannah?
Sure. Another glue. Now we're going to add the contact lens solution.
Now we add the bicarbonate soda.
And a few drops of food colouring.
And some glitter. Finally, glitter. Get it all around. Think that's enough? Now we mix it. It's almost as red as a cherry, even redder. I think we should add some more glue. It's getting really watery. Now I think we stir it.
That's looking better. Do you want to give it a last stir?
Yeah. I think we need some more glitter. That was showing some glitter. That's more like it.
You never have too much glitter.
The final step. Look guys, so stretchy. It's like making a pie. That will be it. Good job.
Okay, I'm excited.
I love this one.
Oh my gosh, it looks like lollies, like chewy lollies. I could totally get someone to eat this.
I think so too.
Look at this.
I could just say it's watermelon juice and put it in a cup. Wow.
Look how stretchy it is.
It's almost see-through. Hi! Big round of applause.
Look at this. Whoa. High five. Again. Yeah.
Don't sell that. Nice.
No.
Come on, this is fun.
You want to try my piece?
Yeah. Do your parents like slime?
I'm sure they secretly love it.
Especially if it gets on the carpet. Rainbow stretch. Let's see how far it stretches, guys.
Should we put it together and see?
Yeah. See what? Smash! You hold this end, I'll hold the other end. Go. Oh, nice. You can step farther than that. Wow! Whoa! Look how far it stretches! This is a super stretchy slime. Whoa.
This is so stretchy. Look at this.
I can't even hold it anymore. It's going to attack me. It's like a red, stretchy octopus. With all his tentacles.
It's like rope.
Yeah. But I wouldn't want it to tie somebody up. I think maybe we should get it all together. The red cherry slime. That's what I'm going to call this.
The red cherry slime. That's a good name for it. I want the bigger piece.
I want a small piece. Hey, can I show you a trick? But I need this. But I have to move this, and I have to move this. I might make a bubble. It might work. I've tried it before and it works, but you'll see it. Just need a red.
Whoa.
Oh, it didn't work.
Boo!
Oh. Well, it's supposed to make a bubble. But apparently the red cherry slime is too fluffy to make a bubble.
I like the sound of it.
I'm going to make pizza.
Yeah.
Let's make a giant pizza.
All right.
Let's put it together.
That can be the base. This can be the toppings.
Okay. Maybe I could use this to roll. Maybe not. Maybe this. My little roller to make the dough. The red dough. Have you ever had a red pizza before?
No.
I think you have.
I would totally eat a red pizza.
I wouldn't eat a red pizza. I would eat a gummy pizza.
This is a gummy pizza.
But it's not edible, which is sad. I've made edible signs before. You can go watch that video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. I think I'm done. Need help with the toppings?
You can do some toppings. I can start putting it on top.
Pepperoni. Pepperoni. We have to fit every topping on. This is the super topping pizza.
All done. Now
we
let's
need to cut it. You hold this end and I hold this end.
grab a slice.
Wow! Wow! I think we should move on to the gymnastics part.
Yeah, let's see how stretchy this slime is while doing some gymnastics.